For thousands of years, nature and humanity lived side by side. Forests gave us oxygen. Rivers gave us life. The earth gave us food. But slowly, something changed. Forests were cut down. Rivers were poisoned. Mountains were torn apart for resources. Humanity believed the earth would remain silent forever. But nature always sends warnings. The balance of the planet was breaking. And then, the impossible happened. The forest was no longer silent. For centuries, nature endured humanity's wounds. But now, it was fighting back. Civilization that took thousands of years to build began to disappear. A few humans survived, but they finally understood something their ancestors ignored. The earth does not belong to humanity. Humanity believed it controlled nature. But the truth is far simpler. Nature always wins. Protect nature before nature decides to protect itself.